Hey guys, what's going on? It's JJ. We're here once again back in Belleville. Guess what, guys? Today we got the delivery. You probably see it back there. Come guys, follow me. I'll tell you what we have going on. Come on, let's go. Let's go for that run again. I'm so slow. I should run faster, right? But come on, let's see what we got going on. Guys, here we got the beautiful pavers again, that trio fossil that we used last time back in the last project. If you come up here, whew, almost missed that hop. This is the floor pavers that you see. Look at this beautiful thing. Come closer, guys, and check it out, right? All right, this is a trio smooth fossil that you got on here. And if you look over here, guys, we got the borders, the dark borders that is going to wrap all around on three sides right here. Now, check this out. If we come all around here, and we come close to here, we'll be able to see the, well, come over here, guys, and you'll see the QP, right? And if you come closer here, this, you'll see the stone dust, all right? And this is future JJ. I totally forgot to mention something from before. These blocks right here, this is going to be the retaining wall that we're going to have surround the whole entire patio on three sides. We're going to go down into the ground, bring it up. This will be flush level with the blocks over here, and then of course your borders and so forth. Okay, future JJ is gonna go. I'm leaving now. So guys, the proposed area that we plan to do these patio pavers again here in Belleville is right here. All right, so like I said before in that video, we're coming out from this window 12 feet this way, right over here, and then we're bringing this out right here. So it's gonna be a 12 by 12 with the borders all around, and you have the pavers set in the middle, and you have a, a good pitch, so the water doesn't go into the house, it goes that way. And guys, that's about it. I just wanted to update you what's going on here. You're going to see the continuation of this video back in Thursday this week. Until next time, as always, stay beautiful, stay amazing, be good.